Another discount for the market, guys. SMCI is going down again 8%, and this time is getting near the 31.13. We have a new low around the 31.53, and we're still holding this level. So everything is going down after, of course, the new tariff hit the market, and we see a bit of fear in the market. So in today's video, we have to discuss the levels that we have to watch out for SMCI reversal for this month of April, because at the beginning of April, we have a huge volatility for the market. And now the market is going down. And of course, we got a big seller around the $36. So we have to discuss not the seller, but the whale. This is the most important thing. If you don't know how to short, or you never shorted any stock before, the most important thing is to watch for a reversal, or the place where we're gonna have the market maker buying the dips, because they always buying on the strategic level for not just SMCI, but Tesla and other stocks. We're going to discuss in today's video where the spot where the big whale will buy SMCI. So let me know, guys, in comment section below, is SMCI right now is good for the discount price, or the whale will be triggered right now to buy, or not yet. Hit the like button. Of course, we always go live every day around 3 p.m. CET or around 9 a.m. Eastern time every day, guys, on our Hunter channel on YouTube, and before that on our Discord and BTR, where we hunt for mini stocks every day. We do pre-market watch lists and live streaming. The link comment section below, guys, if you want to join our exclusive community on Discord and BTR. For meantime, let us discuss the whale, because last time the whale bought, it was there here, guys. We have a huge buyer, and of course the first signal, once we have this huge wick, so we have two buyers. First around here, the 31.13. The second one was around the 44, and this is give us a huge reversal in just few days. Just 1 week, guys, we jumped over 100%. This is where we triggered the big whale last time. For this time, we have three levels. The first level right now is getting near to it, which is the 31.13. And now we have spotted another level where we might have a huge whale buying SMCI, which is around the 28.67. So what we expect for this reaction? Right now, we're still near the bottom 31.13. That's why we don't have a flush, we don't have another pullback down. We just hovering sideways at the moment and accumulating just over the 31.13. If you just see behind the scene, behind the chart, guys, we see a lot of sellers. However, we got the buyer, and now we kind of have a balance between the buyers and sellers. That's how you see the market not moving down further, because we have someone offset the pressure from above or from below, and that's why the price is kind of consolidation here, because we have a balance between the sellers and the buyers. However, if we have another seller, is mean we're gonna go down toward the 28.67, where we might have another buyer. So this is would be another 10% right now, almost 10% for a drop. The other level that we might go to is the 28.67, and again the same, almost 8% around the 26. So we have two levels, 28, 26, 28.60 and 26. Those are the two levels we might go to if we broke the 31.13. I'm not saying we're gonna go there. I'm saying if we broke, yes, we're gonna go there. But for now, we're still holding the 31.13, which is the most important level for SMCI to hold at least for this month and the next week, or by Friday. If we held here, guys, and consolidate, is mean we gonna have a good reversal for SMCI. And of course, we have to watch out SPY, because the SPY, it is testing currently the current support that we discussed before over the 537. We went until the 539, and now we have a little bounce up for the SPY. Why we discussed the SPY? As we discussed before, it is important like signal, or a good like to test the water if the market starts to reverse. If we have a reversal for the SPY, the whole market started to reverse as well, because of course the SPY, what is the SPY? It is a collection of the biggest 500 blue chip company in the United States, and this will be a good candidate to show us that the market start to reverse and the whales started to buy. However, if the SPY broke the 537.90, yes, we're gonna go toward the 511, and this will be a drop of almost another 5%, and will make SMCI to drop lower below the 3113. However, if the SPY held and reverse and go toward the 576.55, which is the current resistance right now for the SPY to confirm another bullish run up, mean the SMCI will never go further, and of course continue to go higher. I'm not saying this 100%, but this is at least higher chance to see this kind of reaction if the SPY reverse. For now, we're still holding, we're still consolidating before Friday. Yes, it was brutal and bloodbath the last few days because everything went down because of tariff. However, after this fear subside and move, we might have at least a consolidation before a move up for the market, especially for SMCI, because right now, for my opinion, look discounted and near the support level where the whale might buy at in coming days. How are we going to confirm the reversal? This would be a great question to ask. First of all, we got this 36, which is the most important level to break. Before it was around the 44, but now we have the 36.12. So this is the level that we should test and of course break it in order to confirm that we found the bottom, and of course the whale started to buy. So once we test the 36, if we broke it, is mean game on for for SMCI to go higher, at least around the $40 and beyond. So right now we missing at least 11-12% in order to test this level and break over it, because if we don't break this level, it mean a weakness. If we broke it, it mean we are game on. We started to have a reversal, because the reversal will never be confirmed until we break this level, because sometimes the price reverse, and guess what happened? We get a trap, a bull trap. Go in here, test, continue to go down. So we're going to discuss this in depth by tomorrow, Friday, guys, the last day in this week, and of course see if we're going to have a reversal or not. So join us, guys, hit the like, subscribe, and join us for tomorrow hunt on our live streaming 30 minutes before the market open. And let me know in the comment section below where you think the price will go for SMCI before the end of this week or by the next week. Are we gonna go over the 36, or are we gonna consolidate over the 3113? Then we're gonna test the 36, or we're gonna go down instead toward the 28. We have three scenarios right now. Thank you for watching, and see you by the next update by tomorrow.